I'm like, I'm scared of white. Wears white in her YouTube video. Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And if you're not new here, hey old friends, lovely to see you back. And in today's video, as you can see from the title below, I am giving you guys the much waited for and requested Fenty Beauty box set, the navy collection box set, I should say. So without further ado, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get straight into today's video. So here she is. This is the Fenty collection, the navy collection boxed set. Look how cute this design is. Rihanna looking all animated out. Here is the back of it. I thought that this was such a cute idea. And yeah, I love the colors. The navy collection, like, that's so perfect. I mean, we are the navy, so to be called the navy collection, of course, why would it be called anything else? So this is a 5-piece lip and eye set. This is like the perfect gift if you're looking for a gift and someone who is like a Rihanna fan or loves Fenty even, like, get them this box. It's perfect. In the box, it comes with a makeup pouch, a liner, and a lipstick, and it looks like a mirror. We're gonna open it and find out. I have not opened this box, as you can see, but I am excited to get into it, girl, okay? So, you know, I'm a sucker for packaging, so like this metallic blue is just so pretty to me, like, girl. When you take it out of the box, it literally comes in the makeup pouch, and this is like really big. This is like a nice size. You can travel with it, throw a bunch of things inside of it. Here is the other side. It's really cute. I am a little afraid for the white because, like, makeup and white, like, I get dirt everywhere all the time, as I'm wearing white right now, right? I'm like, I'm scared of white. Wears white in her YouTube video. Of course I am. Everything is packaged inside of here, so just so you guys can see. So I'm just taking out everything one by one. Oh my gosh, the mirror is so cute. I haven't even... This mirror, wait, I need to throw this in my bag now. Okay, please zoom. Thank you very much. So cute. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. Of course, you take this off and then you guys can like see that's just a mirror. It's so cute. It's so small and tiny. It's just like one of those, like, open it up. Oh, hey, let me check my lip gloss real fast type of situations. I love this. This is like such a perfect gift box. And the price of this box is $58, which I don't think that that's a bad price, but y'all let me know down below. The Wish You Would pencil liner in this navy blue color. Wow, I should do a makeup look with this. Of course I should, right? But let me show you guys the blue. This is so pretty. I mean, I wear blue and stuff, but I don't wear it all the time, but like, this is perfect for me. I literally did a blue like look wedding. I did a blue look to go to a wedding, so I think that like I could definitely make a look out of this. If you guys want it, let me know. The next thing we have is this Fenty Icon lipstick. It is in the navy blue. How cute. The branding is also on the lipstick. This is just so cute. Like, I'm like, I should have bought two, just one as a collector's. It says the navy edition, so let's look and see what shade is in here. Oh, so they put the MVP shade, which is the popular red color, and it comes separate, so you get this case and you get the lipstick both separately. So the case, this is the top of the case right here. This is the refillable lipstick. You can take this in and out and just refill it. You take this part off and then you attach the bottom piece and this piece together, and you wait for the click. Then after it's like in its little piece, you take the top and you pop it in just like this, and now your lipstick is in. To open it, there is a knob at the opposite end. Twist up, it pops out. You just take it and open it, and now you have your beautiful lipstick. I am afraid of this color. Wow. Y'all know I don't really do these type of shades, but I'm just gonna swatch it because, oh, this is actually like the universal red. This is really pretty. This is one that could work on a lot of different skin tones. Those are the 5 items that come in the box. Again, you have like the makeup bag, which is so cute. Like, who wants to like take this out? Like, look at my girl Ree. Hey girl Ree. She looks so cute. I loved her like Bantu knot era. It was like, it's just so cute. I want her to bring that back one day. Maybe not, I don't know. So let me know what you guys think about this collection, and if you're gonna pick it up for yourself or for a friend, a family member. I believe that this set is gonna be like a smash hit. It's already doing really, really well. And yeah, stick around with me because I'm gonna have, of course, more Fenty topics for y'all. Let me know how you like this video and if you want me to keep going and doing more, and what else you wanna see from Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin. I'm happy to do whatever you guys want to see within reason, of course, because we keep our lips sealed over here when it comes to certain stuff. But if it's already out on the scene, I'm happy to review it for y'all. I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.